Hello, little yogis. Welcome to Yoga and Logic. Get ready to stretch, move, and have fun. Join our yoga family and let's make your body strong, flexible, and happy. Take a deep breath in and let's begin.
We'll stretch our bodies in a playful way. Take a breath in, nice and slow. Breathe it out and let worries go. Reach up high, touch the sky. Stretch your fingers way up high. Stand up tall, strong and bright. Let's make our bodies feel just right. Breathe in, breathe out. Our yoga journey starts right now. Stand like a mountain, steady and tall. Feet on the ground, standing proud and strong. Shoulders relaxed, arms by your side. Take a deep breath with your heart open wide. Inhale slowly, reach up high. Exhale softly, lower your arms. Mountain strong, mountain still. Stretch your body with gentle skill. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel calm and strong. Now be a tree, so tall and free. Stretch your branches like a leafy tree. One foot steady on the ground. Find your balance, look around. Raise your arms toward the sun. Hold your tree and have some fun. Sway a little left and right. Keep your body soft and light. Held. Breathe in, breathe out. Grow your branches to the sky. Switch your feet and try again. Strong little trees, my yoga friends. Sit down gently, soles together. Flutter your knees like butterfly feathers. Flap them softly up and down. Smile like you're flying all around. Open your knees, breathe in slow. Let your hips relax and go. Butterfly, butterfly, stretch your wings. Feel the freedom that stretching brings. Lean forward just a little bit. Keep it gentle, that's the trick. No need to push, no need to strain. Stretch with comfort once again. Hands down, lift your hips. Make an upside down V with your fingertips. Stretch your hands and lengthen your back. Stretch your legs along the track. Pedal your feet, one then two. A gentle stretch is good for you. Breathe in, breathe out. Stretch your back and legs today. Downward dog, strong and bright. reach your tummy toward the sky. Step 1 foot forward, bend your knee. Stretch the other leg back gently. Lift your chest and reach up high like a little rocket touching the sky. Breathe in and stretch with care. Breathe out and relax right there. Feel your hips begin to open. Move slowly, keep your body happy. Switch your legs, give it a try. Reach your hands toward the sky. Inhale, exhale, stress your parent grave. Sit down and bend your knees. Lift your feet up with ease. Balance like a little boat, floating gently as you float. Reach your arms straight ahead. Keep your chest lifted instead. Breathe in, hold for 2, 1, 2. Breathe out and relax. Strong tummy, steady heart. Yoga helps us do our part. Lie down gently on your back. Bend your knees and feet on the mat. Press your feet, lift your hips. Make a bridge with your fingertips. Open your